Hey, welcome back. Today we will determine the value of a group of pennies. And how will we do that? We will look at a group of pennies and determine how much they are worth altogether. Why are we going to do that? It is important to be able to determine how much a penny is worth. Remember that a cent is equal to 1/100th of a dollar, an amount of money that is less than a dollar. The penny is a copper coin with Abraham Lincoln's face on it, not mine. And the penny is a brownish coin that's round with Abraham Lincoln. Some backs have the Lincoln Memorial and some of the backs have the Union Shield. But all of the pennies are worth 1 cent. Say that with me. 1 cent. Okay. When you count pennies, it's just like counting by ones on a hundreds chart. All of these are showing cents because they have a decimal point. We'll talk about that much later. Right now, just know it's like counting by ones. 1 cent, 2 cent, 3 cent, 4 cent, 5 cent, and 10 cents. Very good. All the way to 100. When you get to 100, that's a dollar. There's 100 pennies in $1. Did you know that? Yeah. So when you count pennies, you are counting by ones. Remember that 1 penny equals 1 cent or 1 cent. Okay? The cent sign goes behind the penny. It goes after the number, how much money it is. So if this is 1 cent, we write the 1 and then we write the cent. So let's practice counting these pennies together. So if I have 1 penny, how much money is that? 1 cent. Very good. What about if I have 2 pennies? Count by ones. 1, 2. Super. Now I am going to add on a 3rd penny. So if I have 3 pennies, I'm going to count by ones and stop at the 3rd penny. 1, 2, 3. Very good counting. Now, how many pennies do I have in all? Let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4 cents. So each penny is a cent. But when you add more, you're counting on. So this is 1 cent, 2 cent, 3 cents, 4 cents. So how many do I have in all? How much money do I have in all? 4 cents. Yay, you got it. So now for your independent practice today, you are going to click on the pen and count the pennies by ones. I want you to write the amount under each penny with the cent sign next to the amount. Then you're going to write the total amount right here. How much money in all? Same thing with this page. You're going to count these pennies and write the amounts underneath of the pennies with the cent sign. Last page, you have 3 pages today. Count the pennies, add the money, and then write the total at the very bottom. Now, notice how I wrote the next number. I did not say 1 cent, 1 cent, 1 cent, 1 cent, 4 cents. No. I don't want you to do that. I want you to count how much money you have when you get to the 2nd penny. So I have 1 penny. I have 1 cent. Now I have 2 pennies. So how much money do I have? 2 cents. Now I have 3 pennies. How much money do I have now? 3 cents. Now I have 4 pennies. How much money do I have now? 4 cents. And the last number goes in this blank because that's how much you have in all. Okay, so make sure you're counting on and you're writing the next number up, not all 1 cent. So when you are finished, you are going to save and turn in to your teacher. Then you have a new money video to watch. called Learning Money. It's with our robot friend that got chased by the alligator, remember? Let's see what happens with him and money today. So what did you learn today? You remembered and you learned again that a cent is equal to 1/100th of a dollar, an amount of money that is less than a dollar. A penny is a copper coin that has Abraham Lincoln's face on it. That a penny is worth 1 cent. They all have Abraham Lincoln's face on it, but some of them have the Lincoln Memorial on the back, and some of them have the Union Shield on the back. And I know I just said this, but could you tell me how much a penny is worth again? 1 cent. Very good. Then you counted a group of pennies and you wrote their value under each one. You told me that 2 pennies is the same as 2 cents. 3 pennies is 3 cents. 4 pennies is 4 cents. And you did a great job counting money with me today. So I will see you again tomorrow.